Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: subscription access, a Windows VM, and either a public IP for RDP or Azure Bastion for secure access. Next, locate the VM in the portal and verify its power state is running. Make sure the network security group has an inbound rule for TCP 3389 if using RDP. Otherwise, ensure your VPN/Express route connects to the VM subnet. Once these checks pass, gather the VM's username and password or your SSH/key credential for the next step. Now establish the connection. If using RDP, download the RDP file from the portal, open it, and enter the VM username and password. Accept certificate prompts if necessary. If security is a priority, choose Azure Bastion in the VM blade and click Connect to open an in-portal session. No public IP needed. If your environment uses a site-to-site VPN or Azure Virtual WAN, make sure your client network routes to the VM subnet and DNS, resolves the VM name, and then finish by installing the Azure VM agent and running Windows Update to ensure smooth operation. Test a file transfer and remote audio/clipboard is needed, and set up a backup or snapshot. If you can't connect, verify inbound NSG rules, Azure Firewall, and user-defined route table entries. Also check the VM's Windows Firewall. For stubborn cases, use Boot Diagnostics for screenshots, the Serial Console for low-level access, or the Reset Password option in the portal to recover administrative access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.